Okay, so if you're worried about how high the liftgate's gonna go, if you look inside and you have this button, this is how you can adjust the height of the liftgate. So you can see it's set to max here. You can change that to 3/4, or you can change it to off so it doesn't operate at all if you're worried about kids coming in and just opening it when you're not around. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on the 3/4 mode, and that's gonna keep it from opening all the way. It'll open 3/4 the way, and on top of that, there's also a way to program it to stop exactly where you want it to, as long as it's high enough to where GM has the program stop on. If you try to do it and it's not working, then you might be too low to where GM said they're not going to allow you to set it at that low. So I'll show you this part now. Okay, so at the 3/4 level, this is going to be fine. It's not going to hit anything. So on the keyless entry, you have one for the glass or one for the whole liftgate. So we're going to hit this one twice. And you'll see it stopped 3/4 the way up. I probably would have been okay clearing the whole way, but it's a little safer right there. So to close it, you just hit this button here. So now we're going to talk about setting the liftgate to the desired level if 3/4 is still too low. Let's say your garage was, right at your roof level. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open it, but we're going to hit any of the buttons for the liftgate on its way up. Then you can manually adjust that and set it. So for example, we're going to come over here and just push this, and let's say we only wanted it to go to here. There. I've hit the button again to stop it. Okay. And so now you can see what level it's at right now, if that's where you needed it to stop. Okay, so you're just going to manually put it up or down or wherever it is that you want it to perfectly be there. Okay, so then you're going to push and hold this button until the hazard lights flash and you hear a beep. So that's how you know that it's set it properly. So we'll go ahead and close it. And we'll test it. Okay, so now we'll test it and we'll open it, and it should stop at that lower level now. There we go, right where we set it. Okay, to change this back, you can come in here. We're going to put it back up to max, then back to the 3/4, and then open it. There we go. Now we're back to our 3/4. Okay, otherwise, to open the liftgate, you just put your hand back into the liftgate there and push the button. Or on the keyless entry, there's two options. You hit twice for the glass here, or twice for the liftgate here. And for the liftgate here, there's also a button right here that you push. And that's how you can open just the glass. And you don't want to open the actual liftgate with the glass open. So thanks for watching. That's the general operation of the liftgate and the glass. If you have any other questions, go ahead and put them in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe to the videos if you enjoyed them. Thanks, guys.